Well, I think the deployment of the Tapestry is what we call some very skillful use of soft power by President Macron.
Soft power.
Also, it shows the invasion, the last time that England was invaded.
Successfully,
yeah. And obviously a little bit of a political joke from President Macron, no?
Well, some people have interpreted it that way, that this is a sort of very generous display of conviviality, but tinged with a slight bit of cynicism, because it reminds us all of the French
vulnerability.
victory. Yeah.
What do you make of it, Matt? Though, because it's you know, is it just an easy score for Macron?
It's brilliant because what is understood is that so much about politics and people's engagement with it is about symbols, blue passports and things like that. Stuff like this. Most people will not have even known the Bayeux Tapestry existed or where it existed. Yet all of a sudden today, people can go to work and say, we've got this tapestry back. I'm never going to queue to go and watch it or look at it because history's boring, but I know it's back in Britain.
I don't know about that. If you think, when we've had big things like this before,
honestly going to go and see this?
Think about something like the Tutankhamun exhibition. I mean, it was hugely, hugely successful. It really captured the public's imagination, and not only their imagination, people queued to go and see it.
Yeah, my point is about the sorts of people that this is aimed at are not actually going to go and see it. Absolutely.
It's symbolic, Matt.
It's coming home, it's coming home. Bayeux Tapestry's coming home. There's a single in that.
At last.
Well, as long as the mayor of Bayeux agrees to it.
Yes, to say, mais oui.